Hi friends, I'm Zach. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove the hyperlink on your text in your Canva docs document on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the hyperlink on your Canva docs on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For an example, the link has been inserted inside the this text option, so I just need to remove the hyperlink here for this particular text. So while just selecting the text, you will see there is an option on the bottom called link. Click on this. Now here you have this option called, you can just click on the go to the link, or you have this option called delete. So click on the delete option. So now just come back to your text. You can see the text has been changed to the normal text. This is how you just remove the hyperlink or link inside the text on your Canva docs on your document. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and if you have any comment out about the Canva docs mobile, just comment below. We will make a video about it. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.